In this video, you will use comments to collaborate digitally in Google Docs. If you are working with someone in the same office, you might hand your colleague a printed copy of a document to read and review. If you work from home, you can use comments in Google Docs to offer suggestions and comments digitally. This way, everyone who has permission to view the document can see and respond to your comments. The information is kept all in one spot, and you don't have to print multiple copies of a document. To begin, open Google Drive. Then, create a new document. Give it a title. Write a few lines. Don't worry about what they say. This is just for practice. Now, add a comment. When you use comments, you can ask questions, provide ideas, and communicate with others without directly changing any text. If there is someone you want to share your thoughts with, add them to the comment. Anyone you add to a comment must have access to the file. Select the permission you want to use. Edit means the person you share with can make changes directly in your document. Comment allows them to make comments, but not change the document directly. Choose Comment. If you write a comment but want to reword it later, select Edit. Or, to delete your comment, choose Delete. When you are added to a comment, open the file and reply. If the comment is no longer needed in the file, resolve it. If you change your mind and want to see the comment again, open the comment history. Nice work collaborating digitally in a document through using comments. Now, it's your turn. Create and title a new document, write a few lines in the document, add a comment, include someone in your comment, and practice editing your comment.